Help!
He's stuck in the, look how much snow. Look how, my gosh. That's so much snow.
Do it down there.
Oh my goodness.
Boost, no!
There's a lot of snow.
Oh God.
Oh, roll Wyatt. Oh my goodness.
Oh God.
Ah, that's deep. I couldn't even tell you how much snow this is. Can't even tell, but it's a lot. Bar. You guys are nuts. Ooh, I almost just fell. How much snow do you think there is?
Like individual snowflakes?
Oh. No, I mean like a foot. Might be a foot, too. Probably 2 feet. It's up to my... Yeah. That's insane. Still snowing a little bit. It's quite beautiful though. How deep that is. That's crazy deep. It's almost spring.
No, it ain't.
Psych. It really is though. The 20th, which is like a week away. That's crazy. You guys got a nice path though.
Yeah. Just right down.
Try it again.
Alright.
Now that you got the one, make sure the more you go down it, the better it'll get.
So listen. What?
Oh, maybe.
You have to go down on your belly
Okay, show us.
for it to go far. Does it snow most of the time in Canada?
I'm not sure. Not sure, actually.
I've seen YouTube videos of
Get it, Annabelle. That's gonna be good.
Why, watch this. I'm stuck in the snow. People died this week.
Woohoo!